Okay, so now I want to make a few remarks on how to recognize conditional probabilities in problems. Okay. Let me know if you're done writing it down. So let me make a remark here. Recognizing conditional probabilities so conditional probabilities are usually indicated by words or phrases implying a subpopulation. For example, let's say the words or phrases like given that is as obvious as it gets, among and let's say if okay, so let's see some examples. So if we say that among independents, sender, is that Sanders or Sender? Sanders, I think, yeah. Sanders leads Clinton 54% to 36%. Okay. Well, these numbers are totally cooked up, so I didn't take any real numbers or anything. So in this case, notice that we have the word among, right? So among independents. So that sort of indicates a subpopulation, right? So we are looking at among independents, the subpopulation of the supporters of Bernie Sanders, right? Is that making sense? So that's a subpopulation. That's an indication of a subpopulation. So in this case, let me denote by S, but the S denotes the event that someone is a so this is the event that a voter is a supporter of Sanders, right? And let's use C to denote the event that a voter is a supporter of Clinton. Okay. It's kind of funny that most people say that they don't trust Clinton or they don't like Clinton, but on the other hand, they didn't go out to vote to choose somebody else. Right? Okay, so same thing with Trump as well, of course. So this is another event I. This is the event that a voter is a voter is an independent. Okay. Now, can you express? So, what probabilities are given in this statement that among independents, Sanders leads Clinton 54% to 36%. So what probabilities are indicated here? Anybody? I'm sorry? I mean, what probabilities are indicated here? The probability of what events are indicated here? P of S, or is it P of S given I, right? The probability that someone is a Sanders supporter given that he or she is an independent, right? Because it is among independents. So that is exactly the 0.54, and the probability of C given I is 0.36. Okay. Is that making sense? All right, so let's do another one. 5% of those having a disease, having the disease, whatever the disease is, 5% of those having the disease test negative. Okay. So does it indicate a subpopulation? So we are talking about the population of the people who have the disease, and then the subpopulation of the people who test negative, right? So in this case, we can take, for example, N to denote the event that a person tests negative, and we can take D to be the event that a person has the disease, Okay, so what probability is given here? Which conditional probability is given here? Yeah, P of n given D is 5% means 0.05, right? Is everybody clear? Okay, one more. For each smoker, the probability of dying during the year is 0.05, right? For each smoker, the probability of dying during the year is 0.05. So here I can take two events again. Let's take S to be the event that someone is a smoker. Someone is a smoker, and let's say D be the event that someone would die during the year. So dying during the year. So then here we are given what? The probability that probability that someone will die given that he or she is a smoker, right? And that's 0.05. Okay, so I have I still need to do a few examples in this section before we finish it. I will do that on Monday and also discuss the exam on Monday. Wednesday will be the exam. Okay.